Hello, everyone. Welcome to our podcast, Future Ways, where we explore exciting new technologies shaping our world.
Hello. Today we will talk about self-driving cars, how they work, and how they may change transportation in the future.
Hello everyone, my name is Ramika.
And I am Iwaulya Fernando.
And I'm Sobhash Rajakaruna.
Okay, thank you guys. Today our podcast will discuss innovation transportation technology, especially self-driving cars. We will explain how this technology works, give some examples and share interesting facts about the future autonomous vehicle.
Yeah, I'm Sobhash, and our first topic is the future of transportation. Innovation transportation technology is changing the way people travel. One of the most exciting development is the self-driving car, also known as an autonomous vehicle. A self-driving car is a vehicle that can drive itself without the need for human drive to control it. Instead of a person steering the wheel, pressing the pedals, and making decisions on the road, the car uses advanced technology to do all these tasks automatically. And self-driving cars rely on a combination of sensors, cameras, artificial intelligence, and GPS technology. Sensors and cameras are placed around the vehicle to observe the road, detect objects such as other cars, pedestrian traffic lights, and road signs. These sensors consistently collect information about the environment around the car. The data is then processed by a powerful computer system inside the vehicle. After that, artificial intelligence, often called AI, plays a very important role in self-driving cars. AI systems analyze the information from the sensors and cameras and make decisions about how the car should move. For example, the AI can decide when the car should stop at a red light, slow down near pedestrian crossing, or change lane safely. GPS technology is also used to help the car understand its exact location and follow the best route to reach its destination. One of the main goals of self-driving car technology is to make roads safer. Many traffic accidents happen because of human mistakes such as distract driving, speeding, or fatigue. Autonomous vehicles are designed to reduce this risk because they can consistently monitor the road and react quickly to change in traffic conditions. By removing human error, experts believe that self-driving cars could significantly reduce the number of accidents and save many lives. After that, another important benefit of this technology is improving transportation efficiency. Self-driving cars can communicate with traffic systems and other vehicles to maintain smoother traffic flow. This could help reduce traffic jams and shorten travel times, especially busy cities. Yeah. In the future, autonomous vehicles may also work together in smart transportation networks, making urban mobility more organized and efficient. And self-driving car may also make transportation more accessible for people who cannot drive. For example, elderly people with disabilities, or individuals who do not have driver license use autonomous vehicles to travel independently. This technology could give many people greater freedom and mobility in their daily lives. However, there are still some challenges that need to be solved before self-driving cars become common everywhere. Engineers and researchers continue to work improving the safely, reliability, and legal regulation of autonomous vehicles. Issues such as cybersecurity, public trust, and ethical decision making are also important topics that need careful considerations. In my conclusion, self-driving cars represent a major step forward transportation technology By using sensors, cameras, artificial intelligence, and GPS system, these vehicles have the potential to make roads safer and provide new mobility options for many people. As technology continues to develop, autonomous vehicles may play a key role shaping the future of transportation around the world. Yeah, that's it. After that, yeah, Iwaulya, can you tell me about companies developing self-driving cars?
Yes, of course. Thank you so much for your introduction about self-driving cars. So, as per your question, many companies around the world are currently developing self-driving cars. These vehicles, also called autonomous vehicles, are designed to drive without human control by using advanced technologies. The development of this technology has attacked many large technology and transportation companies because it has a huge potential to completely change the future of world. Some of the most well-known companies working on self-driving technologies include Tesla, Waymo, and Uber. These companies are investing billions of dollars to research and develop to improve autonomous driving systems. Their goal is to create vehicles that can drive safely, efficiently, and independently on the public roads. For example, Tesla is developing a system called Autopilot, which allows cars to assist with steer, braking, and acceleration. Although this still requires a driver to supervise the system, it is an important step towards fully autonomous driving. Waymo, which is owned by Google partner company Alphabet, has also made major progress in this field. Waymo has tested fully autonomous cars in the several cities in United States and has even launched self-driving taxi services in some areas. Uber has also experimented with autonomous vehicles as per part of its ride-sharing platform. The idea is that in the future, passengers could order a ride using a mobile app, and self-driving car would arrive to pick them without a human driver. This could reduce transportation costs and improve efficiency in big cities. Self-driving cars rely on many advanced technologies to operate safely. One of the most important technologies used in these vehicles is a combination of radar systems, cameras, and computers. Radar sensors help detect the distance between the vehicle and other objects on the road. These vehicles operate on specific routes and are carefully monitored to ensure safety, such as other drivers, cyclists, and pedestrians. Cameras allow the car to recognize road signs, traffic lights, lane marking, and obstacles. All the information collected by these sensors is sent to a powerful onboard computers. These computers analyze the data in real time and make decisions about how the car should move. For example, the system can determine when to slow down, stop at a traffic signal, or change lane. This process is extremely quick, often faster than human drivers could react. Another important technology used in self-driving cars is artificial intelligence, also known as AI. Artificial intelligence allows the cars to learn from large amount of driving data and improve its decision making over time. The more system learns the real world situation from the more system learns from the real world situations, the better it becomes at predicting and responding to different road conditions. Today, some cities around the world are already testing self-driving transportation systems. In certain areas, companies are experimenting with self-driving taxis and buses. People may no longer need a car because they could simply request autonomous vehicle whenever they need to travel. This could reduce traffic congestion, lower transportation costs, and improve mobility for people who cannot drive. In conclusion, many leading technology and transportation companies are working hard to develop self-driving cars. Though the use of radar sensors, cameras, artificial intelligence, and powerful computers, these vehicles are becoming smarter and safer. Although there are still challenges to overcome, self-driving taxis and buses are already being tested in some cities. As the technology continues to improve, autonomous vehicles may soon become a common part of everyday life. And after this, Ramika will share some interesting facts about self-driving cars.
Thank you, Iwaulya. So let's talk about some interesting fun facts. Well, self-driving cars, also known as autonomous vehicles, are changing the future of transportation in the way that feel almost sci-fi. These cars use a mix of sensors, cameras, radar, and artificial intelligence to understand their surroundings to make real-time driving decisions without human input. The one interesting fact is that some autonomous cars can communicate with each other to reduce traffic and avoid the accidents. Companies like Tesla and Waymo are leading development, with millions of miles already tested on a real road. Surprisingly, self-driving systems don't get tired, distracted, or emotional, which could significantly reduce human errors, the main cause of accidents. However, they still struggle with complex situations like unpredictable conditions or extreme weather conditions. Another cool detail is that these vehicles rely heavily on detailed maps that are constantly updated. While fully autonomous cars are not yet common everywhere, they are already being used in some cities for ride service and deliveries, showing that future is driving is closer than we think.
Thank you, Ramika. And finally, I will talk about some interesting facts about self-driving cars. Self-driving technology is still developing, huge potential to transform transportation. Autonomous vehicles use sensors, cameras, radar, artificial intelligence, and GPS to understand their surroundings and drive without human input. Although not perfect yet, companies and governments are testing these vehicles on road to improve safety and performance. These tests help engineers collect data and make systems more reliable. Self-driving cars could also reduce traffic congestion by communicating with each other and adjusting speed or roads to avoid delays. In addition, they can drive more efficiently than humans, which may lower fuel consumption and reduce pollution, especially in many future models are expected to become electric. Another key advantage is their role is building smart cities where autonomous buses, taxis, and delivery vehicles could make transportation easier and more accessible. Overall, while still improving, autonomous vehicles could make travel safer and cleaner. So, thank you for listening to our podcast about self-driving cars and future of transportation.
We hope you learned something new and about how technology is changing our world.
Okay, thank you very much, Guy, and see you next time. Bye bye.